Hello friends, welcome to AM's Kitchen Corner. Today we are going to prepare fish curry. Ingredients are fish, tamarind water, curry leaves, ginger, garlic, green chili, some coconuts, and dry ingredients are turmeric powder, red chili powder, coriander powder, mustard seeds and oil. Add and make a paste of curry leaves, ginger, garlic, green chilies and some coconuts. And some dry ingredients: turmeric powder, red chili powder, coriander powder and mustard seeds. Put all the ingredients in a mixer. Now pour some water and let's grind it. Now our paste is ready. Now we'll start by adding 1 cup of oil for 1 kg of fish. After the oil getting hot, you can add the paste. Make the paste light golden brown. Keep stirring so that it doesn't get burned. Add water according to the thickness of the curry. Soak tamarind for 10 minutes and add into the curry. Tamarind water gives your fish curry a very good flavor. Now add Ghol fish into the curry. Cover the curry till the fish gets cooked. Please make sure to check whether the fish is cooked or not. You can check it with the knife. Now add some coriander leaves and some salt to taste. You can add salt according to your taste. Cook for more 2 minutes after adding salt. Now here our Ghol fish curry is ready.